Imagine a room where your voice echoes back, not just as sound, but as data. This is the magic of acoustic holography, a technology that captures sound waves in 3D. By using an array of microphones and advanced algorithms, it creates a holographic map of sound. This innovation is revolutionizing fields like architecture, where it helps design spaces with perfect acoustics. It's also making waves in security, detecting intruders by their unique sound signatures. Acoustic holography is turning empty rooms into interactive spaces, where every whisper is a data point. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech wonders.